So it's a beautiful evening here in South Sudan. I'm going to show you how I wash my clothes. So over there, those are the hard pieces. Then some I've soaked in the water. If I soak, it makes washing very easier. So for me, this is how I wash. I start with the inside part, and then turn. So this is the inside part. I make sure it's very clean. Yeah. So in most cases, I concentrate on 3 parts: the neck, the armpit, the back, and then the front part. These are the parts that easily get dirty. So here the first phase is done. We are transferring to the next bucket. So this is the second bucket. That's the first phase. So here I'm not going to wash with soap again. So the first phase is done. So this is my water. I'm going to pour it here. For the second phase. Yeah, for the second phase. So over there, these are the hard pieces. These are the hard pieces. For me, I'm going to use a brush to wash them. Okay. So I'm going to get the brush and wash. So I think I need more water. So the reason why I'm going to use brushes, because these ones are kind of hard and they can stress. I don't like stress, guys. So as you can see, I don't have a wife to wash for me. That's why I'm going to be using a brush. Since our water is not enough, I'm going to add more water. The water is kind of warm, guys, and it's clean. Okay. So for this one, it's hard. You just use a brush like this. This one is a lifesaver, guys. Yeah. So these are the most dirty parts. This part here, and then the legs down there. So let me apply more soap, and we'll continue with our washing. It smells nice. Okay. I can also use my hand. This one is not all that hard, it's kind of soft. So this is like the soft jean, this is the hard jean. Yeah. Okay. For me, like, I don't wash many clothes. I plan things for a week. So these ones can work for a week. Yeah. Monday to Saturday. So Sundays I'm always home. So guys, this is the final stage. I'm now going to rinse. This is now the final stage. Yep, I'm going to rinse and then put them on the wire to dry. Yep. So for me, I normally squeeze them. I squeeze off the excess water. Yeah, I squeeze off the excess water and then put on the wire. Go for it. Now this is for the trousers. For the trousers, I don't waste time. For the trousers, I don't waste time. Yeah. So I'm going to get clean water and then also rinse. So guys, I'm finally done with my washing. As you can see, there are 5 trousers. That's like for 5 days. The short is like a night dress, and here there are 4 shirts. So I'm done. I normally wash like for a week. So I'm normally wash in the evening so that they can dry. Okay. Yeah. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.